anything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get your back, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just stay, follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes, dynamite.
Like I said earlier, this vlog is a mess, but we move anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Favor Allison. If you didn't know, now you know. So in today's video, or in today's vlog, yes, as you guys can see, I'm on my way to the beach right now. Yes, I'm going for a friend's birthday party. I had so much fun that, like, initially I planned to vlog today, but I forgot to vlog. Yes, so I got some clips and everything, so I decided to just merge it together to create this fun and interesting vlog. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Yes, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification.
Dynamite, no you can't no light. You know I'm just that type. No, they're not
Hi YouTube.
Oh my god, I did my YouTube channel.
So at this point I was thinking, oh my god, Favor, you are going to fall today. Favor, you are going to fall today. But hallelujah, I did not fall. Yes, and I'm happy, and I took some amazing pictures.
And this is Favor's YouTube channel.
Hi guys! It's a famous YouTube channel.
We're having fun at the beach.
At the beach because we are bad bitches.
Yeah.
I'm too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this ice, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this.
The next day.
I still see your shadows in my room. I can't take back the love that I give you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one, listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know that you want me dead. I take prescriptions to...
15544. 155 44.
What's up?
Yeah. Yes. Allison, Favor. That's all.
A few inches later. One eternity later.